Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure to be part of this wonderful conference to share my research findings on the topic the role of Industrial Revolution 4.0 in driving innovation, culture, ESG performance, firm competitiveness, and investigating or understanding the opportunity and challenges for Malaysian firms. My name is Mohammed Awal Iddrisu, and I'm the presenter with my co-authors, Associate Prof. Dr. Awal and Professor Dr. Abdul from University Tunku Rahman, Faculty of Business Finance. Now, without further ado, let's get into the problem statement. Now, digital technologies have significantly transformed over the years, which encourages firms, both manufacturing and service firms, to embrace key advanced technology in order to improve their business competitiveness and also sustainability. Now, in the pandemic, actually affect a lot of the firms, which actually reveal their unreadiness in terms of their digital transformation process. Studies have indicated that smaller firms are lagging behind the larger corporations in terms of digital readiness, which has been indicated that smaller firms must adopt industrial revolution technology in order to enhance resilience and also to ensure the long-term survival in the market. Now, studies have indicated that firms in the developing nations, such as particularly Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, and Malaysia, face severe disruption and also revenue losses due to their insufficient digital transformation effort during the pandemic. Now, the pandemic actually revealed key challenges facing the firms, both manufacturing and service sector, which include the key is the digital divide. Digital divide is the gap between the large firms and the smaller and medium firms in terms of their digitalized infrastructure and readiness. Now, the digital divide actually, according to studies, have indicated that nearly 70% of large firms have made investment in the digital transformation, whereas only just 30% of the small and medium firms have started to integrate the fourth industrial revolution technology in their operation. This actually indicates the unequal access of digital resources among both the large firms and also the small and medium firms. This actually limits especially the small and medium firms in terms of their market competitiveness, whereas the larger firms continue to dominate in the market. Now, in terms of the challenges, another challenge is the resistance to change, whereas many studies have indicated that many firms continue to operate on the outdated practices of characteristics of Industrial Revolution 3.0, which limits the ability to evolve and adopt new technological advancements. This process actually also highlight that a lot of firms also depend on the traditional management strategy in terms of conducting their business or production processes, which also hinders their fully digitalization process. Now, this actually makes this study interesting by investigating the key indicators that directly influence the resistance to change and also the adoption of technology among the manufacturing and service sectors, focusing on understanding the key barriers or the benefit that comes with the digitalization process and how it impacts competitiveness and also the role of ESG practices. Now, the methodology, this study actually focuses on the qualitative study, which is focused on a semi-structured interview basing on or using 14 participants from 14 different companies, which includes manufacturing companies and also service companies. The study actually, the respondents are derived from key industrial areas in Kuala Lumpur, Perak, Penang, Johor, and also Selangor. This is to enhance the relevance of the findings across the contents within Malaysia. Now, the data collection process. In terms of data collection process, the the study actually uses 15 interview questions which is based on two sessions, session A, session B. Session A actually covers the demographic profile, whereas session B covers the open-ended questions, which allows the participant to express their opinions and also their experience. The analysis is conducted based on the thematic analysis process, which involves the coding of the respondents and also grouping or teaming the respondents and also synthesizing the findings based on the teams. The findings reveal that in terms of the gender, 64% of the respondents were male, sorry, and 36% were female. And then in terms of the owners, uh, 28% were owners and entrepreneurs, whereas 21% were supervisors and managers, respectively. And then in terms of the sectors or industry, 64% were manufacturing and also 35% from the service sector. Now, the findings actually reveal key to diverse perspectives, which is the drivers of the adoption of fourth industrial technology and also the barriers of the adoption of fourth industrial technology among the firms. Now, the drivers actually highlight key benefits of adoption of technology, which include improved productivity, customer satisfaction, waste reduction, work efficiency, and increased innovation. Whereas the barriers include lack of skilled personnel, insufficient technological resources, resistance to change, and also high cost of technological implementation. Now, the findings compared to previous studies indicate that the findings underscores organizations are aware of transformative potential of industry in enhancing productivity, sustainability, and overall marketing positioning. And also, despite the recognized potential, firms continue to face significant hurdles such as organizational resistance, and also high implementation costs and lack of skilled personnel. Studies have indicated that which similar to the barrier to digitalization, it is consistent from previous studies. And the notable studies from the study indicate that existence of digital divide actually among firms where firms exhibit larger firms exhibit more access to technology compared to the smaller firms. Key findings here we indicate that the integration of fourth industrial technology significantly boosts operational efficiency and productivity, allowing firms to respond swiftly to market changes and also customer demand, thus gaining competitive advantage. And also, the study also indicates that the adoption of fourth industrial technology facilitates better environmental, social, and governance practices by providing tools for monitoring and reporting and enhancing sustainability. And also, despite it is shown that despite the advantages, organizations face significant challenges such as limited financial resources to invest in new technology and also workforce that limit necessary digital competency and also cultural resistance to change. And also to overcome these kind of barriers or challenges, it is crucial for stakeholders, including the government and industrial leaders, to work towards providing targeted training programs and also financial incentive and necessary digital infrastructure to support the transition process of digitalization. The study isn't relevant without policy implications, and then this indicates first the Malaysian government aims is to increase the proportion of highly skilled workers from 18 to 35%. Therefore, to accelerate the adoption of technology by integrating foreign digital skill workers can facilitate essential knowledge transfer. And also, investment in training programs for local firms is paramount in terms of uplifting or expanding the capacity of skilled personnel. Financial support and infrastructure investment is also crucial, which is to be distributed equitably among firms based on their capacity to innovate. And to prevent the misallocation of funds, it is necessary to conduct rigorous risk assessment. The risk assessment will help to ensure investment are directed towards the most promising innovative firms. Now, the limitation and recommendation. The study is constrained on a limited sample size, which is due to financial constraints, which raises questions as well. And also, the study was notably biased in terms of sector representation, where manufacturing is more than the service sectors. And also, the research focused on the solely Malaysia, which limits the generability of the findings to overcome to other countries. To enhance this facility, it is recommended to expand the sample size to include more diverse firms and to provide a wider perspective in terms of the impact of industrial revolution technology. With this, I would like to thank you all for your patience to listen to my findings. And if you would like to follow me up, you can follow to my email. Thank you so much.